Securing agentic enterprises. Your new AI employee can process millions of documents before you finish your cup of coffee. But can you trust it with your most valuable secrets? This isn't just a chatbot. Agentic AI acts as its own integrated system with your core systems. Attackers no longer need to just trick your people. They just need to hijack your AI. With a single malicious prompt or use of its memory using its own tools, it can turn your tool of your AI chatbot into your greatest liability. In a world where you can't trust the agent, you must control the access. The solution is data and identity first defense. By applying zero trust architecture, every action by your AI agent must be verified. By classifying your data, you ensure it's only able to access the data it absolutely needs. Never trust, always verify. The threat is autonomous. Your defense must be strategic. What are your thoughts? How are you approaching agentic AI and defense in a strategic way? Let me know in the comments.